Hi friends, I'm Jyothi and I'm one of the admin from Edu Skill family. Good evening all. A warm and heartfelt welcome, and it's my pleasure today to introduce to you all our mentor Dr. Father Saleen Joseph. It is a great pleasure to welcome our new participants to the August batch. We are delighted that you have chosen to be part of the learning journey, and we hope this experience will be inspiring, enriching, and rewarding for all of you. As we begin this new batch, let us remember that every new beginning brings fresh opportunities to learn, to grow, and achieve our goals. We encourage everyone to participate actively, support one another, and make the most of every session that Father is going to conduct. It is now my privilege and honor to introduce to you all our respected father, mentor, Dr. Saleen Joseph. Father Saleen Joseph is a dedicated educator, mentor, and guide who has positively impacted the lives of many students and families throughout his wisdom, encouragement, and commitment to excellence. His passion for nurturing confidence, discipline, and lifelong learning continues to inspire everyone who has the opportunity to learn from him. We are truly grateful to you have Father Dr. Saleen Joseph with us today to guide and to motivate to begin this new chapter. I encourage everyone to listen attentively, participate wholeheartedly, and take full advantage of the knowledge and experience he is about to share. Once again, I extend a warm welcome to all our new members and returning participants. May this August batch be filled with learning, success, friendship, and personal growth. And thank you and wish you all a wonderful and productive session. Our Dr. Father Saleen Joseph has completed PhD from Tumkur University, LLB from Karnataka State of Law University, CELTA from Cambridge University, London, Corporate Communication Skills Trainer, British Council Trained Teacher, IELTS Trainer, OET Trainer, PGDCA Manipal Academy of Higher Education, MSW from Kuvempu University, BPH from Western and Indian Philosophy, BTech from Comparative Religion from Urban University, Italy. He has completed BA from Mysore University. Areas of expertise and responsibility held by our Dr. Father Saleen Joseph are here. They are SDM College Ujjire, teaching English language of graduate and undergraduate students, communicative English trainer to MSW students, editorial board members. SDM College PG Department Ujjire. He has worked as KVG Law College Sulya, teaching legal language. Unique Edu Skill International Beltangadi, teaching soft skills to undergraduate students. Chavarak Academy of Life Skill IELTS, Spectrum training students for IELTS teaching communication. So we have seen his expertise in English teaching business English in MHRS legal assistance to farmers of Malanad region, CALS skills training in personalized education, Bar Council Beltangadi, advocate, certified trainer of Master Brain Program, SDM College member boss, representation from industry, corporate and allied area relating to placement, Young Communicators Club students coordinator, PRCI Mangalore Zone, ICYM coordination of youth activities, Diocese of Beltangadi, KVG Medical College Ethical Committee, and innumerous designation where this video will not be enough for introducing our Father Saleen Joseph. Thank you very much for listening to me.